Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to remove black text from photo in Photoshop. Let's get started. See this text, black text, magic wand tool, multiple select. Then select text or go to select tab, modify, expand 2 pixels. Sorry, I use 1 pixel. Then right click, fail, content error. Press Ctrl D. And another way, click this tool, right click, use paste tool and select text, draw and select another text, draw. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.